Hey guys, it's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. And I literally have to leave the house in less than an hour. But what I wanted to do, as you can tell by the title, is I wanted to show you guys how I do my clean girl makeup, clean girl look. I have this bonnet on under my wrap because when I had my wrap out, it was just too overexposed. Is it better now? Let's take it off. I'm so excited to show you guys this. This has been my go-to look all summer. It's just been easy, quick, 10-minute makeup look. It eats every time. And I'm gonna show you guys how you can get this shit going for you too. Okay, so stick around and let's get cute together. This makeup look is very fresh and light. That's kind of the vibe. Start with this Glam Glow. If you guys, this is the Nude Glow, and I think they have a totally different packaging now, but I use this to highlight like high points of my face. I basically just use it on my cheekbones, and that's kind of it, honestly. I'm already like naturally oily, so I just focus this on like my cheekbones because those don't get oily, on the high points of my cheek. Next, what I'm going to do is conceal. This is almost done. I've been using the Boing concealer. I put this underneath my eyes. For my dark skinned girls, game changer. I'm telling you, this is a game changer, and you should always do this when you're like not using foundation or going super light, like a look like this. Conceal your upper lip. This helps so much. This look used to be like really annoying to me because I used to just do it and then I would have like this shadow on my upper lip. Concealing my upper lip, literal game changer. Game changer. So I put under my eyes, upper lip. I do my chin as well. I literally just realized I'm out of all my concealers. I'm literally scraping this damn tin. I'm totally out of this concealer. I need to buy like a new one. So if you guys have any good recommendations, let me know. And then I put it in the top of my forehead. I just like to brighten up my face. That's the goal. I have some acne scarring spots, and what I use is I use this LA Pro Girl concealer. I love these concealers, by the way, and I use this to conceal my acne spots, and I also use this to contour my nose. As you can see, I have like a spot. These spots will all be concealed pronto. I don't conceal all my spots because I still want my face to look like skin, but I conceal some spots that annoy me. I just have some on my cheeks. I keep my forehead one, and I have a couple over here that I'm just gonna keep, and I need to blend out that concealer a little bit more. For some reason, this light is blinding me. Like I can't see anything today. Blend, blend, blend. Lastly, I'm going to use it to contour my nose a little bit, and I love to add like some structure into my nose. It makes my nose look less flat when I have makeup on. Next, we are just gonna set everything. I like to use this Max Vic powder. I've been using this since junior high. It literally has never done me wrong. I love it. I just set my whole face with it. My favorite part. I think this warms up the face so much. Choose this random MAC blush. Their blushes are really good, but I know people have been using Rare Beauty's blushes. Those cream blushes look chef's kiss. I'm gonna get me some. Any blush you want. I personally like blush. I know some people don't, but I think it gives more of a fresh, clean look, honestly, especially for black girls. I cake on blush. Oh my gosh, it just said he's here. He's there. Oops. Anyway, he's in no rush, so I will be there at 8. I'm just gonna blush up. See, sometimes I go blush crazy. I'm like, not giving me enough, and there's literally so much blush on my face. And the more I put on, it fades really nicely. So I'm a blush whore. Even if like my discoloration peeks through a little bit, I'm happy about that. On the tip of my nose, and I even put some sometimes on like my eyelids, just to warm up the entire face. So next, I'm going to be using an eyebrow pencil. I just got into these and I suck at them, but I got this e.l.f. one. So my first time using it, so I'll let you guys know how I like it. I know people have been liking the soap brows. I only personally do soap brows if I'm doing like a full face of makeup with lashes and stuff. That's the only way I think soap brows work nice on me. I like this. Still getting into this pencil game, y'all. I feel like I suck at it. It's pigmented and it's creamy, but it's not putting too much where it's overpowering. I read a comment on a video of someone saying like curly brows don't exist, and I'm like, who lied to you? I'm going to be taking a brow gel just to set them. We are just about done. I personally like doing this. I don't really put like I guess I do, like sometimes, depends how I'm feeling right now. I'm not really feeling highlighter because I feel like I'm very highlighted, but I always put highlighter on the tip of my nose. Just like that. It lifts my nose up and I think it's really pretty. Forgot, with this, I usually put it in the inner corners of my eyes. Not like where you think, more of closer to my nose. And again, this is the cream. And I just blend that out a little bit. And it brightens my eyes in a good way. Second last, I use some mascara. Sorry if this tutorial's all over the place. I'm late. I just realized I'm late. I've been using eyelash serums, so my lashes look really pretty with mascara on. Tip, if I don't have lashes on and I have short eyelashes, I just put mascara on the top lash, because if I put them on the bottom, it closes my eyes. If I put it just on the top, it actually opens my eyes. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I personally think this look looks like really good with just your natural lashes. Tweak it how you want and how you feel most comfortable wearing it. And lastly are the lips. I recommend just like a clear thick gloss, but I finished my gloss, so I've just been using this Fenty, this like original Fenty lip gloss bomb. I feel like everyone, this is like the first one we've all tried. No, and I just put that on my lips. And just like that. That is my clean girl look. How are you guys feeling it? What do you guys think? I'm about to change and get out of here. I'm going on a date, and I like this look because I can wear my glasses with it too, and it looks just as good. My man just texted me and said he's there, and he's like, no rush. Like, he said we'll be there at 8, and he got there at 7:30, so it's time for me to get ready real quick. Thank God the face is slaying. I look bomb. Thank you guys for joining. Like, I feel like I look better because you guys came and assisted me. You know what I mean? Like, I had to like show out for y'all. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. This is literally my go-to look, my everyday look. I love it. It's quick, easy, and it looks like me, and it's cute. You know, like I always feel myself in this look. I'm not kidding. And it takes like 10 minutes and I slay. The only thing I gotta do, and I do throughout the night, is I just apply lip gloss. I'm feeling myself right now. Oh. But we're gonna go bowling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know your clean girl tips, or if this video was helpful to you, because I hope it was. Like, I'm feeling myself as I should. And it's the blush again. Like, we love the blush. It makes me look so alive. I love you guys so much. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you tomorrow in a short. Bye guys. Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.